Welcome to the MarketSmart Minute. In today's episode, we are going to find the top lender companies. So from our welcome screen, we click on Profiles. Once the profiles load, we are going to click on the Lender Profile button. We're going to select our market. Let's say Los Angeles. And apply, and we are going to select our time period, last 12 months, and then click on the Lender Selector tab. From here, we have our top lender companies. So their names, their production in units, rank in units, share in units, their dollars, rank in dollars, share in dollars. If you would like to save this information or download this table, simply put your mouse on top of the table, click on the share button, hit Excel, and you are done. Thanks for watching this episode of the MarketSmart Minute. See you next time.